After like 10 seconds, you can run.
Oh shit, I'm sure playing Dragon Clat. Thunder Clat lah.
Okay, 3 o'clock mo na ready.
Ikaw ba ako?
I have no
Okay.
Ako na lang. Nag-open na ako.
Okay.
Sun Tower taken.
Open now.
Sun
So where
Tower
we go?
taken.
First job.
Okay.
Should I go to...
Sun, move to spawn, Sun. Move to spawn.
On where?
Oh no, I died.
Move to spawn area. On Sun.
We're green, guys. We're green.
Omelia is not moving na.
Moon spawn.
We got
We are
no
green, yeah,
enemies.
we are green.
Let's push the star.
We
It's
got
gonna open up anytime soon. So we need to be ready. Star is now open.
Wait, killing spawn.
They dead. Oh,
I'm
we're
at star
good.
right now.
Star open. Sun
Okay,
still
we're
good.
Chabu in here. Kill Chabu. Wait, Mila.
Sun still good.
Let's go to Sun. Let's go to Sun.
Sun
Wait for
good,
change color.
Sun good.
Okay.
Sun good. That's getting taken.
No.
Sorry.
Ay, getting taken.
here. Ah, Chabu's there.
Chabu here.
Let them take it. Let's retake later. Our moon is open.
Chabu going to moon.
Should go become...
Yeah,
Chabu
title build.
Sabu title build.
Title build.
Title build. What
Still
a
dying. Yeah.
Game's credit card got tired.
Killed by
PvP outside star. PvP outside first. Outside star first. Be ready to
Mayup,
go in once
Mayup.
change color. Ay, go.
Going. Oh! I died.
Mayumi.
It's locked. Respawn in moon, go to sun. Dead and moon, defend. Sun is locked, let's go to moon. Sabu is on moon ah.
That is support
Yun na.
to Chabu.
Sabu is on moon. Everyone on moon.
Already dead.
Left.
Moon is locked. Nice one. I think star will open in 10 seconds.
Oh, I got compromised again.
Open now.
Whis going to star.
Nice.
Too late for sun. Just give sun. We're taking the star anyways.
Chabu and Sun.
Oh, sorry,
Let's
I'm not
keep a 2-1
defending
race.
Sun.
It's okay.
I think sun is still open. Did it lock?
No, they locked it. It was hours before.
Okay.
I'm not Sun.
Our moon is open. PvP outside. Guys, stay away from moon tablet. PvP outside only so that they can change colors. Because if we lock moon, we can roam freely.
Yeah. Copy.
We're taking Sun.
Don't kill them too much.
Wow.
What?
Star.
Don't kill them too much. We cannot change color. We're killing them too much.
Star.
15 minutes, don't forget,
Start ka na lang.
Yeah, don't
1 minute
forget.
till mob spawn. 1 minute till mob spawn. It's okay, we still have 2-1 tablet. Abu is going down to moon,
Moon is open
but without his support. So I think we can take him on.
Oh, they're getting ready for the river camp.
40 seconds till mob. 40 seconds till mob. Position yourselves already. Give moon, let's take star later.
We're taking moon.
We have 300 point lead. If they lost that, let's take star later after mob. After mob.
After die.
Forget, they're gonna push towards you, ah. Get ready.
Yeah. I'm still here with
Forget.
Panda.
Go front. Go front.
Alag na.
Where's Phuket yan ah?
Sabu kami. Sabu kami.
Sabu already.
We're pushing star.
Let's kill Chabu.
Kill.
Chabu.
I'm down.
They're pushing through.
Getting star.
Oh
Okay,
my god, I
guys,
get...
disperse on star. Let them push it.
They
Kabudai.
Can someone res us? Nice one.
Go moon.
Toti
Go,
is
guys.
here too.
Coming to moon.
Trying to help.
Most of their members are in Moonspawn only, not moving from the safety zone. So I think we got them by the numbers.
Sun is taken. I'm going to back to Sun. Chabu here.
Ah,
No. Sun is locked.
No,
Wait,
it's open. It's open.
Star. Main forces to star.
How did I die there
Take
lang?
color already. Let's go inside. Fight inside the tablet.
It's open.
It's gonna lock. Once it's locked, disperse. Let them chase us.
wait,
Let
I'm
them
chase
chase
ako.
us.
Wow.
Wow, it's so strong. Chabu like...
Naiyak ako.
Title build.
Title build.
Title build la.
Why are you like that, Chabu?
Wait, PvP outside moon. Wait. Hold. Okay. Go.
I can't move.
Okay.
After this, go to star. After moon, go to star. Don't go to star yet. Too early. Let them change color. Okay.
Yes, the guy at the center. I tried.
Good flow. Nice one. Disperse, go back to moon so we can respond to inside easier.
We're clearing portal.
Move up to moon spawn.
So,
Minman is at the south of moon, south of moon.
Toti.
Sun is good.
Okay.
They're wiped out. Yes, be wiped.
Oh, I think they're semi-dead guild. Wait for change color in star.
Account for sale is way.
Okay, go inside. Ay, did it change
No,
color?
not yet. Never mind.
Never mind.
Aray naman.
Ayan, change color.
Nice.
Conserve your oblis.
Die there lang.
Conserve your oblis. Moon is changed though. Nice, so fast. They locked sun.
Sige, tamat.
1 minute 10 seconds till Baron. PvP outside star.
Kurat.
Sun is locked anyway.
Kurat.
Go inside star now.
Tapos, star.
Sabu is at star. Sun will be open in a few seconds. Go there. Disperse in star. Don't go there. Don't push. We need to lock in sun. After sun lock, I will rally you all.
Moon is locked. Okay.
Rally up.
Yung nga mo. Yung po ako.
Sabit already on OB ah. Sabit already on OB.
Coming, Kobe.
Tapos may
Wipe out.
Hmm?
Wipe out.
Yung baso.
No more
diba?
wipe.
na.
Damn!
Yay! Good
So
job.
fast?
GG,
How
GG.
many minutes is that? So fast ah. GG guys.
Across field the monster.
Hey, congratulations, Kodet. Good game, well played. Masa doing it. Go, Masa.
Masa ready for
Show us.
work ba?
Show us your
Masa.
Magnus build.
I think
Masa is doing it, killing the OP.
Masakot, masakot, masakot.
Masag.
Sabo title build. Either
Oh,
Tab is the title build
I should,
or
I should talk
combo
to
Shura
Charlie
is
before
really...
lah.
Maybe combo build is still very...
It's good, but too weak.
because
But
it's open for... If you're combo build, you're open for crowd controls and you don't have that speed damage reduc on GOH build.
Mm-hmm. But it's too fragile.
Yeah,
Fragile like no heart.
GG, well played everyone.
English.
Who will we fight on Saturday?
Probably Rob J.
Or okay.
Rob J. Ah, yes, Rob J.
Yes, Rob.
Congratulations, he.
What happened to Rex?
He got a kill.
Congrats, eh.
Congrats.
Guys, GG, run your weeklies, finish your dailies. GG, well played.
I forgot
GG's,
to say
guys.